Alrighty guys, what's up? It's been a while. Something exciting happened. I did end up making a purchase, and I know I told you guys I was going to get a new bike on a couple videos ago, since my two-stroke blew up. But I guess this isn't a replacement. I don't know, I haven't really made up my mind yet, but this is gonna be fun. It's gonna bring more content to the channel, and it would be able to just screw around on and have fun. Really, this is what I got. It's a KLX 110L used, so there's some wear and tear on it, but you know, that's what you're gonna get when people get these things, and you know, people beat on these things. So today we got the KTM here too. So today what we're gonna be doing, the bars are a bit tweaked, so I got some new bars for those. Like I said, we're gonna be changing out these, and obviously since I just got it, and I just want to do a little check over on like the engine, maybe check the valves and everything, like the cam and everything, and see if it's at top dead center, just everything like that. And so yeah, and also change the oil as well. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And we got the so for the KTM, the reason that's here is that we are going to be doing the bearings, the linkage bearings. So we got the all bars bearing kit, so we're going to be doing that too. We actually did the bearings on the Yamaha 250F, and we did the bearing for the rear wheel on the Frankenstein. So we did that earlier. I didn't really film that because I didn't think it was going to be that interesting. But since we got a pit bike here, a new addition to the family, I guess it's worth filming, and just to show you what's going on and keep you guys updated. And I guess filming a video once in a while, because that sometimes helps, and I know you guys enjoy the videos in the channel. And yeah, I feel kind of bad not filming for a while, but the video before this is going to be the Daytona vlog. If you guys haven't seen that, we went down to Daytona, Florida, or Orlando, Florida, and then we drove down to Daytona for the Supercross race, and it was pretty sweet. So if you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. Alright, so this thing doesn't really have like a tripod or anything, so I'm just going to use this little base thing. So I don't know, it's kind of hard because these things are just like a little stick that I'm using. So alrighty, so these are the bars, they're off. They're a bit tweaked, I'm not sure, like right there at the bend, right there. You can definitely tell it's pretty tweaked, but you know, it is what it is. But we got, I need that, these ones, same ones. Just gonna take the bar pad. It was a bit like, it was like $5 more for like a bar pad, but really I'm just gonna take this one off and just kind of borrow this one. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna film like the whole process, because I think this thing's on kind of low on battery. I didn't really charge it before I came here, so you know the process, just taking the bars off, putting them back on. Alrighty, so we got the bars on, everything is on nice and tight. I just gotta change out the grips. So you gotta, where are they? Right here. Got these pair of grips, pretty much the same things, the white ODIs. Pretty much these were pretty warm, but we're never gonna use these, so we might as well just put them on for something. And yeah, they're just gonna get dirty, but oh well, like I said, we're not gonna use them. So that's pretty much the last thing I gotta do regarding the handlebars. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so this is the linkage. We already popped out that, both of these, and then it's just these ones to go. These come with the seals, and then obviously the washers.
These two weren't too bad. We've had this one up here was trashed, dried up, pretty dry. But we'll just get started on this here was. Socket. Everything's clean.
Yep.
Follow me, kids.
Already got the white grips on. Already kind of dirty, but that's alright. We got those for free, so no biggie. It is what it is, the white, so it's gonna get dirty anyways. But anyways, it's pretty much done for the handlebars at least. So now I may check the valves, I may not. I don't know. Maybe just for curiosity, but we're definitely gonna do an oil change for sure on this thing, and then we're pretty much done. And obviously wash it, but it hasn't been too nice out to really wash it or anything. So since I've got it, I didn't get it too long ago, so I've only had it for a little while, for a couple days really. So haven't gotten the chance to wash it at all. So anyways, we'll get those two things done and then help out finish the KTM with the bearings, and should be all set. Take everything over to make sure everything's all good. Like, it runs fine, it runs perfectly fine. Like, it starts right up. So you know, it just makes me happy to just check over everything and make sure everything's like all there. You know, you never know when you buy stuff used or anything. If you buy stuff used or whatever, you know, stuff is always kind of wet, like beat on it. So especially the pit bikes, you know, they are always like beat on. So it's always nice to do a little once over on them. All back together, should be better. I didn't get a good video of it when it was before. I didn't get a good video of when it was all kind of stiff and everything, but it was pretty stiff because obviously it's all rusted out. We're all kind of worn out in the bearings and stuff, but should be better for the most part. So can take a yeah, much better. That's way better. Does she start up? Huh? Maybe? Hasn't been started in a while.
Small hands get in there.
I got a new throttle tube, so this is like the quick turn throttle tube, so I only have to turn like not as much as like the stock, and it opens up the throttle tube a bit more, so I don't have to turn it as much. So say if like this is like full throttle right there, so it's pretty cool. Alright, I actually bought these a long time ago, but we were just waiting for it to warm up, so gotta put these black grips on, and like I said, pretty sweet. I gotta try this out when it gets warmer and see if it actually makes a difference or not. If I can't really feel a difference, I can just always I can always get a bigger cam, which is the thing inside here that pulls the cables. I can get a bigger one of those, and so it will increase will decrease, I guess, the amount of rotation you have to turn it to get more throttle, I guess. So yeah, that's what that is. It's pretty cool. Can't wait to try that out. So alrighty, so we pretty much did everything we needed to do on the pit bike. So we added oil. It really did not have like any oil in it. It just a little bit. So good thing we checked it. So that's done. Oil's done. The grips are already dirty. That's alright. They're white, so they're done. Anyways, doesn't matter. Handlebars, check. Just gonna tighten up these little covers right here. I'm sure they're fine, but the valves seemed fine. They're up to spec, so yeah, 2.5 valve shim. So it so checked out pretty good. So should be all set. Obviously, it's better with the oil that's actually in there now because there's actually oil in it. But other than that, it seems all right. So just gotta check the bolts and should be all set. Alrighty guys, so we just finished up both with the KTM and the pit bike. So just quick recap what we did. Change the oil, check the valves, they were fine, no worries. New handlebars, new grips, stuff like that. I don't think I showed you this, but the fender is kind of cracked already from the previous owner. I don't think I'm going to get a new fender just because they kind of cost a lot, and knowing me, I will probably loop it and I will most likely break it again, so that would be another however much it is right out the window. So knowing me, I'll probably crash it trying to do a wheelie or something, and yeah, so yeah, that's the reason. I'll probably eat it trying to do a wheelie, so that's why I'm not getting another fender. But anyways, everything's all done with the KTM. Starts right up. Got the grips done. Gonna put on some wire when we get home because this is a bit thin, so it's kind of thin. But other than that, looks all nice and good. Just could use a wash again, but you know, still, it's alright. It's alright. It's been sitting for a while. But alrighty, guys. So that's gonna wrap up this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, like this video, do whatever you want. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for my next video. Hopefully it will be riding the pit bike. I don't know, somewhere, maybe tomorrow. I don't know if it's nice. It was actually kind of cold out and it was snowing all last night, so we couldn't really do much really. And I guess today was just like a work day to get some of the stuff done on the bikes. But anyways, I hope to get some riding done and some videos done with this bike, because I am super excited to ride it, and it's just, pit bikes is so much fun. Everyone who has a pit bike, they know how much fun it is. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.